Hi guys, Robson Hayashida here, and today we are going to talk about how to trade structure. Yes, and today we are not going to use any indicators at all. We are just going to look at price action and the structure, the charts as it is using candlesticks. So let's begin by explaining to you what kind of chart we are looking at. So we are looking at USDJPY, US dollar and Japanese yen. We're looking at the time frame is 1 minute, okay? And as you can see, a lot of candlesticks. If you don't know, the green ones are bullish candlesticks, okay? That they mean that the price is going up. And the ones that are in red are the bearish candlesticks. So for a bullish candlestick, why is it green? It's because the price that it started, the price that it opened, is lower than the price it closed. So it closed much higher. Then it becomes green. The candlestick here is in red because it opened here and closed it here. So the price it closed is lower than the price it opened. So it became red. So bearish. Once again, it could be any color. Like the color that we are using is the default color that's provided by this website, tradingview.com. But in your platform, you can easily change that. Like you can change the colors to the color you want to use. So it's totally up to you. Uh, okay. Anything else? So the thing that we are looking at is the candlesticks once again. So let me make it a little bit bigger so that it's easier to understand. So as you can see here, the price goes up, okay? The price went all the way up, then went down, then went up, then went down, then went up, then went down, then went up, okay? So you see that there is a level here that is not like an exact level, but it's a level that more or less it goes from here, from this place, okay? Oh, let me use something else. Let me use, instead of an arrow, let me use a trend line, okay? So from here, you can see that the price is struggling to break this line, okay? Sometimes it does break a little, but it bounces back. So this I'm going to call resistance line. Why? Because it resists, okay? It resists the price and the price bounces back like down again. And then from here, what I can see, there is another line called support, okay? So here I'm gonna call support, okay? So the price tries to break it down, like downwards, but it fails and bounces back, going up again, okay? So what does it tell me? It tells me that exactly what's going on right now, because once the price broke, and you can see here that it broke and then went back and then broke again, and now it's going all the way down. So once the price breaks this support line becomes a new resistance line. Why? Because now from here it tries to break upwards, but it cannot break upwards and bounces back down. So this one became the resistance line. And probably here we're going to get a new support line somewhere down here. Okay? Why is this important? This is important because once it breaks this and does a retracement, so a retracement means that it's going back but then fails. So it did a small retracement here, okay, and it's going down again. So from this place, I would place a sell position. Where? Around here, okay? So around here, I would place a sell position. And why do I know? Because here you know that there was a bullish candle here. It failed to break and then it started to form not a huge but a little bit big bearish candlestick. So I assume the price will go down. Okay? This is how I trade. So, well, of course, not always. Like I have a lot of things that I use, but today let's take a look at this kind of trading using only structure, okay, only based on structure. And another thing that I can tell you is always look left. Why? You can look right because right it hasn't been plotted yet. So right is the future. Always look to the left. So look to the past and try to understand the movement. So try to understand the trend, okay? So can you guys see that this is a bearish trend going on right now? Why do I say so? It's because the bearish trend started here, okay? And can you see? Can you see this? So this is my bearish trend going on right now, okay? So I'm going to buy? No, definitely not. And when you identify the trend, you don't buy, you don't go long, you don't go bullish. Why? Because this is a bearish. It's a bearish trend. So you only look to sell. When do you sell? When there is a retracement. So here you see that there is a small retracement going on, right? So capture that retracement and sell, okay? So I would sell right now. Why? Because I'm trying to capture this retracement that's going on right here. So can you see? Now I'm drawing my resistance. So I can see my resistance here, okay? Something like this. So I'm going to look to sell around here, and I expect the price will go down, okay? I expect, actually, let me change this to, I'll change this to black, okay? So it's easier. Okay. So I expect the price, no, I will sell here, okay? And I expect that from here, I expect to see something like this, okay? Wow, it's already happening. So yeah, can you guys see? So this candle is becoming a bearish candle, okay? And now it became bullish again. So once again, this is a live trade. I'm not planning to add it. So you can see that it has broken a little bit, okay? And let's see how it develops. Okay. I can see that this is going to stop somewhere here and then it's going down again. All right. So let's see how it goes. And it's really good to do this live because then you can really like understand how things work. This you see, if you have seen, this is something that I also would like to talk a bit, which is this support line. So if you have noticed, it just touched my support line and now it's going down again. Why? Because this is the support line, so it has double shoulders. Okay, so twice here, try to touch, failed, and now another shoulder, try to touch and touch it, fail, so price is going down again. Okay, so from here, this price will go down again. Okay, so let's see if it goes down. Well, nobody's perfect, but according to my years of experience, this price is supposed to go down. All right. So you see that this channel looks like it has broken a bit, but this resistance line, okay, this resistance line, which was previously was the support, now became resistance line. So this resistance line is still resisting to the price. So the price tries to break it, but it can't, and it keeps bouncing back. Okay. So let's wait a little bit more. So that's why I like to use the 1 minute chart just to show you guys like live trading. Of course, in my real trading, I use not only the 1 minute, I use like 5 minutes, half an hour, 1H, which is 1 hour, or 4H, 4 hours, and 1D, which is the daily chart. And I look at, of course, I look at monthly as well. It depends on the style of trading that I'm adopting at that time. Okay. I do long term and I do short term. I do everything. So it depends on the style. All right. So you see that there is a huge resistance here going on right now. Okay. Let's see again how it develops. So I can still see this is a bearish move. Okay. And I can really see that this guy here, like this price here, I can really see this price going down. All right. Yes. Okay. So you can see that it started to go bearish. Okay. But there is really like a huge resistance there. Right. So 100, 105, 466. Huge resistance going on right now. Yes, it started to go bearish. Okay. So I expect this price to, from here, it has already started becoming bearish, so going down. Okay. So yes. Okay. So at least, at least it's behaving like the way I said it would be. So, okay. So the price is going bearish. Okay. You might experience a bounce back when it reaches this level though. Okay. So when it reaches this level here, all right, around here, or maybe even here actually, when it goes, no, when it goes around here, all right, yeah, around here, you may experience or may not experience a bounce like back upwards. Okay. But so far it's more likely it's going to touch the support line that I just drew. Okay. All right, so I think we stop here. And just to show you guys how to trade structure, how structure moves, and how to analyze the charts. If you have any questions, just write to me here. And just a disclaimer that Forex is extremely dangerous, so you may lose all the money you have invested. So please be very careful when you trade. And my videos are for educational purposes only. So that's it. Goodbye. See you next time. Oops.